Introducing the PowerPack Roam, the ultimate outdoor power bank designed for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring the wilderness, this power bank is built to keep your devices charged and ready for action. The PowerPack Roam is currently available in Arctic Blue, Forest Green, and Desert Orange. Today I'll be taking you through a quick unboxing and tutorial of the blue version. Upon unboxing the PowerPack Roam, you will notice the rugged and durable shell. Designed to withstand the elements, the PowerPack Roam is the perfect power bank for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and backpacking. Included with your PowerPack Roam is a user manual and a quick start guide to ensure you're up and running in no time. Additionally, you will find a USB-C cable conveniently located underneath the PowerPack Roam. Now let's take a deeper look at the PowerPack Roam. To power on the PowerPack Roam, simply click the button located on the side. The blue lights located above the power button will flash to indicate the PowerPack Roam being powered on. Each blue light represents 25% battery. At the top, you'll find a coloured cap that serves as a protective cover for the power bank's ports. Simply screw off the cap to reveal the USB-C and USB-A ports. The USB-C port offers 20 watts of power output, perfect for fast charging your devices, while the USB-A ports provide 18 watt, allowing you to charge a wide range of portable devices. This versatility ensures that you can charge smartphones, speakers, cameras, and other outdoor tech essentials with ease. The PowerPack Roam houses a large built-in 15,000 mAh battery, providing ample power to charge your devices when you're outdoors, also giving you enough power to charge your smartphone up to 3 times. At the bottom of the PowerPack Roam, you'll find a built-in LED light, adding to its versatility as an outdoor companion. This feature is perfect for inside your tent, night hikes, or when you need extra light in an emergency. To turn the built-in LED light on, simply hold the power button for 3 seconds. There are 3 levels of brightness to choose from. To adjust the brightness of the light, simply click the button until you have reached your preferred brightness. The built-in LED light also features an SOS feature in case of emergencies. By double-clicking the power button, the LED light will begin flashing. To stop the flashing, simply double-click the power button again. Now let's take a look at what makes the PowerPack Roam the perfect power bank for outdoors. The PowerPack Roam has been designed to withstand all the elements, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. With an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, this power bank is fully protected against dust and can be submerged in water up to 1 meter deep and up to 30 minutes without any damage. To charge the PowerPack Roam, simply plug one side of the included USB-C cable into the USB-C input located on the top and plug the other side into a USB-C adapter. Please note the PowerPack Roam does not include a USB-C adapter and you will need to purchase one separately. And there you have it, a full walkthrough and unboxing of the PowerPack Roam, your go-to portable charger for those who never stop adventuring. With its rugged design and robust capabilities, the PowerPack Roam is built to follow you into the wild and beyond. If you have any questions about this device, please reach out to our customer care team via our help centre on the website.